Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run Cyberpunk 2077 on Mac. The only reliable method involves using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop. This powerful tool creates a Windows environment directly on your Mac OS, allowing you to install and play PC games. It's a fantastic solution for Mac users who want to experience titles like Cyberpunk 2077 without needing a separate Windows machine. This approach leverages your Mac's hardware to deliver a surprisingly smooth gaming experience. To get started, you'll need a Mac with an Apple M-series chip, such as an M1, M2, or M3 for optimal performance. Install Parallels Desktop, and then a copy of Windows for ARM within it. When configuring your virtual machine, it's crucial to allocate at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a significant portion of your Mac's storage. This setup ensures Windows and Cyberpunk 2077 have the resources needed to run efficiently, providing a much better gaming experience. Once Cyberpunk 2077 is installed, optimizing your settings is key. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics to a mix of medium and low presets. Crucially, enable AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution, or FSR, within the game's display options. This significantly boosts frame rates without a major visual compromise. Also, make sure your Parallels Desktop software is always updated to its latest version. These steps will help you achieve the best possible performance and a more enjoyable gaming session on your Mac. Running Cyberpunk 2077 on your Mac using Parallels Desktop is a testament to the power of Apple Silicon and modern virtualization. While it's not a native port, the ability to dive into Night City on your Mac is incredibly convenient and offers a surprisingly robust experience. With the right setup and optimizations, you can enjoy this expansive world. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to expand your gaming and smart home setup. Give it a try and experience the future of gaming on your Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.